students, welcome to Saujanya pre-primary classes. Today we'll do the handprint activity. These activities are very helpful for the kids, and when they are feeling bored like that, at that time if you make these for them these activities, they'll enjoy happily. If you are doing like fingerprint activities, handprint activities, earbud activities like this, today we are going to learn about handprint activity. If they're doing the handprint, don't leave that. Just create something for that hand or for that print, and you can create something what they did. Then they'll feel very happy in doing those all things. See, now today first I'm doing the here handprint. See, before handprint you can apply with the paintbrush or with the help of the, we can pour the on the plate and we can just apply also. See, now I am applying yellow color. Any color if what they like, just you can give them and just tell them to stamp on the paper. Just like this, apply yellow color or any color if you want, they want, just tell the kids to apply for them and just stamp on the paper like this. Give some pressure for them and stamp on the paper. Now we'll do the fingerprint also. For this one, just I'll draw the fingerprints. See, just I'm giving fingerprints like this. Now I'll make some design on this. So that is the reason I was giving the fingerprints. Okay. See, after doing stamping, it has dried. After drying, what we have to do? Just create something for them. Then they'll feel happy, no? Create for them something. See, now I am preparing like a chick. See, I am drawing here. For chick, what will have? I am drawing like that. See, nose I am drawing. For the chick, we'll have like this, no parts. Just create yourself for them and show them. They'll feel very happy, no? Like this, if you are creating and if you are giving for them, they'll feel happy. See, and I am keeping eye. Just put an eye. Like hand now I have prepared. See, for hand. We'll have legs to the hand now. Like this. Okay. Next. Here, small fingerprints we have given. No? Further, we'll prepare cheeks. We'll prepare cheeks like this. Just what they have drawn, we have to create something for them. Then they'll feel happy. It will look different also, no? See, like that. If you have created for them, it is very nice for them to see also, no? Okay, practice for them like this. Make it for them also. Bye.